Yep, you got it. So these are going to help hold up the brain. So these are, kind of think of this as like, these are the neck. This is the neck.
My Ada will be so jealous.
Or maybe they will get interested in making robots too.
And they might told their parents to get a Mbot. Wait, is this a Mbot?
Mbot.
Maybe they will ask their parents to get a Mbot for them. But their parents might say, save money up for Mbot.
Well, if you want the extras and the additions to make more on this,
I'm naming mine.
you are going to have to save your money.
I'm naming mine Skull Crusher.
You're going to name your Mbot. Yes, this looks like such a skull crusher.
Yeah.
Look at him, so vicious.
No, actually, his name is actually Spike.
Spike?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Real name is Spike.
Done. Okay. So, now, what step was that?
That was step 4.
What number is this?
10. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. Very good. So, now, we can fold this up out of the way, and we go on to step, what number is this? Comes after 6?
10. And then make a 7.
That's right, step 7. So, this is where it's telling us that, warning, be sure to place the RJ25 connecting line and the motor cable in the direction shown in the picture. So, these were the motor lines. We should probably have something that distinguishes them left from right. And these are pretty easy to tell. We'll have one that's coming up from underneath. That's for the front wheel section. But these should probably be distinguished with something that tells it it's either a left or a right. And you know what? I have a black Sharpie. They should probably keep a little Sharpie or something with this. But a Sharpie that we can mark on it to say left and right. Okay? I'll go get you a Sharpie.